sack. Oh, we're needed elsewhere. Little stroll into Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. Digging out the section command post.
Light infantry sections on standby.
Sappers reported. Ground needs taking, boyos. Eyes open, guns up.
We're taking that section. Command's done.
Let's get men on the front line pronto.
Setting up. Aussies taking ground.
Position taken. Tidy. Time for a brew?
Your sister gave you the right country.
Sappers reported. Position taken.
Royal Engineers, ready. And here we go.
You making headway to the Gaza. You're on flag.
Stow that
duty.
gear,
We'll
boyos.
cover.
We're going.
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Up, lads.
We hear
We're
you've
moving.
got trouble. What have you got? Quit your left founders.
Positions are. Mark up while it's time.
Gaza, this is it. Get it captured.
Orders, sir. Sappers ready. What's the task?
The lads are accounted for.
Dingo on station.
Forward. Infantry closing on us. Come on, he's dead.
Not had orders, he's gone. Stop Mac ready.
Listen up. Just a flash. Keep going. Enemy rifles. They're having a go. Commander. Man down. Crossing here.
Awaiting orders. Cut those bloody troopers down.
Fighting private compartment.
Taking losses.
Back up.
Run.
We're losing a munitions point.
Fire. Get out
Ready
of
as
here.
we'll ever be.
We read. All right. Keep you in the
An infantry section is present and accounted for.
Head into the
Location.
What's that order? Foot down, driver! Make a move! Kick on it! Lazy kick! And full stop! Pull over! There! Half track engaging us! Keep those troopers pinned down! King back! Flag! Dingo, in combat!
It's time to march, boyos. Come on.
Where are we going? Rifles up, asses in gear!
Sappers back.
Sending reinforcements as and when needed. All nearby infantry will be reinforced, Commander.
Hang about, lads. Take a breather. They're bringing up anti-tank weapons! Yeah!
You
You
insist?
need light infantry?
Sappers.
We hear ya!
The enemy have taken our territory.
Boy, stop and spread out!
A victory point is being overrun.
Take to cover, you mercs! Right! That means
Take your stations, we're heading out.
back up! Back us up! Attention! We'll get on! Get your heads down now!
I'm not taking damage. We have to move.
Move out! Go! Go! We hear you've got quit your lollygagging and march!
We're losing a victory point to enemy action.
Pay attention, lazy buggers!
Australian infantry are in reserve.
We're moving out, Chuck.
Boss you!
Through, lads. We're off.
The lads are...
Grenade packages are inbound, Commander.
Shut your mush and move your feet. Definitely. We're on it. We got orders, lads. We've got enemy fire! Hold it! Stop! Like we've never marched before! Let's move out! Pack up! Confirm! Let's go!
reinforcements as requested.
They make it quick.
Standing by! Come on, ladies. Forward, young.
Whip wins in March.
Out! Attacking his orders! Go! You heard the commander!
Well, come on, ladies, while we're young. Here you've got trouble. All right, moving forward.
We're losing a capture point to enemy action.
Buggers.
Weapon emplacements are available for construction.
Take it,
We
time.
got orders, lads.
We're up, lads. Come on, chaps. We've got to move.
Always eager to serve. Head into the location. Horses in
setting
gear.
our sights
Let's go
and moving out.
capturing. We'll have it in no time at all. Commander! Let's take some fire.
We got orders.
What's the NATO matter? That's it! Get into them!
Of course we can handle it!
All of you!
Infantry squad
Aussies
killed.
confirmed!
Nice shooting, lad.
Listen up! All of you! Making headway to the target!
Sappers, restore that gear. Throw it.
What have you? Rifles up, asses in gear! Start
Oil
working!
engineer.
Fast track in our sight!
Quite the quit whinging and march!
Move! What now?
Take on! Go! Horse track, open fire! Stop! Felix! That's enough! You're on it!
Back up! Back us up!
Rolling our training to all weapon teams.
Had orders in
Let's
Yop.
move out!
Sappers ready.
Lay into them! We'll get there, but trust me myself! Light infantry! Open fire!
We have a surplus of command points, Commander.
It's all right! Taking the command!
Weapon teams have finished their training, Commander.
Aussie,
Get
hit
to the
the
left.
We've never marched before! Nine! Move! Desert rat! Sit tight! Setting our sights and moving out! Pay attention!
Lazy buggers.
Fuel's up and ready! Walk up your mush and move your feet.
Sappers, eager as will ever.
Sappers on the move! Making headway to the
Find them.
target! With your lollygag!
Driver! Driver! Throw it, everybody!
Weapon turn!
They're breaking through us!
We've lost contact with our sappers.
Ready! Go! Go! Locked up! Oh, we found Jerry! Engage! Go back to base! Lead it! We're taking him off the here! Commander!
We've lost communication with one of our squads.
There! Aussie's here! There you are! Listen up!
Australian infantry have been killed.
Numbers
Let's
smoldering!
get rolling, lads.
Command infantry!
We have infantry support. Australians, no less. We're losing ammunition. Word from the front. Our Australian infantry were killed. Sappers have orders to over-repair vehicles for the coming fight. Damnation! An emplacement has been destroyed.
Here you've got... Let's get some blisters for your blisters! Rifles up, asses in gear!
Send your message! What is this? Air-wheel drive? Move!
Aussie rats here!
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Lads are... All right, moving forward! Setting our sights and moving out! With your lolly
engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
Light infantry! All right, moving forward!
We're losing a victory point.
Take your stations. We're
Heading out.
We've got orders.
A munitions point is being overrun. The beggars are threatening a victory point. Victory point is in enemy hands.
Sappers. Okay.
Job's done! What a beauty!
Jerry has 300 points remaining.
Sappers, receiving orders.
Enemy squad tripping over their own soldier!
We're losing a fuel point.
Coordinates received!
Infantry squad
Oh, wait,
destroyed!
yeah, we're moving.
Reload!
Repair work?
You need light in to grab that weapon! Recon's a good job, mate.
Infantry training is underway, Commander.
Grab it. Grab that weapon. It's ours now. Ah, we can do that.
It's done!
Royal hatchet.
We've lost the sector to the enemy.
Blisters for your blisters!
Not had orders in yonks.
Sappers.
Infantry training completed. Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Sappers, reporting.
Scout car, here!
Making headway to the
We've
top!
lost a sector.
Stop mucking about! We're up!
Come on, Sappers, get to follow it.
Ready yet? We have to order! Where are we going? Work's done!
You have command points available.
Lads are extending our sights and moving out!
Royal
Royal
Engineers.
engineers trained and ready to go.
Up now.
We hear you! Rifles up, asses in gear! All right, moving forward!
We can conduct supply runs to secure additional resources.
Job
Sector lost. Repeat, sector lost.
Sappers, steady again. We should see the other guy.
That's it, lads!
Awaiting orders.
We're losing a victory point. Royal engineers out of contact. Resumed dead. Australian infantry. Victory point belongs to the enemy.
Throw a duty.
Any Barack Rothblatt
Emplacement destroyed by the enemy.
Vehicle moving out, chums!
Sappers will hatchet it up now. Oh, we'll get that weapon back.
Mucking about! Let's go! Throw it everywhere!
Sappers, yeah. How is that over there?
An emplacement has been destroyed.
Ready! All right!
Await secure that position. Drive them out. That capture point needs to be ours, right?
Aussie rat here!
Time to march, boys. Come on.
Here we go.
Sappers,
Sitting outside, enemies defeated!
Sappers.
Let's get rolling, man.
Thousand back! Engage! Maintain distance! Infantry! Command, lay into them! We read you!
Anti-tank crews are on standby for orders.
Orders, jump to it.
Watch out! Back up! Back up! Back down!
Standing by.
Throw it, everyone!
Set on, full stop.
We're losing a munitions point.
What's over that gear, boys?
Heavy machine gun has been deployed for you.
Hold still. Full throttle. We're going.
One of our anti-tank guns has been destroyed.
Back up! Back us up!
What you got for us?
Nico, of course we can handle it!
Sappers, we're ready. Hold up position.
Nico, it's
We're making progress. The enemy is down to 200 points.
Sappers, leadership is still slower than Jerry's line. Nothing to worry about. That captain point needs to be ours, right? Everything's ours. Are we blowing up now? We've got orders to move.
Give us some breathing room.
time to make a name for us!
Sappers under strength!
You have 3 command points available.
Well done! Receiving orders. Get through it!
Command point should be allotted, Commander. The beggars are threatening a fuel point.
Boys, going. Sappers on hold. We're needed elsewhere, lads. Wasting his crew, fire!
Territory lost. Our victory point is being overrun. Victory point under enemy control.
The Light Infantry are taking it from them!
Knocking about. They're up. Follow it.
Let traffic slow them! Show them!
We're up, lads. Full stop.
Move back now!
We've lost contact with our sappers.
Never be.
Building coming down! Infantry have them down!
Archer DD ready for construction. Heavy machine gun crew killed.
Where do you want the big
Mirror, signal driver.
Infantry dead! Answer it! Whatever it takes! Fall back! Engines up,
Word from the front, our Australian infantry were killed.
Let's get some blisters for your blisters!
Stop here!
Commands are making headway to the target! Shrapnel bomb! Must be a mortar nearby! There! Now!
And we're reversed up! Get us clear!
Mortar's gonna cut us up! Light infantry have a job to do!
Roger that.
Hands up! He's gunning for us! Get out of there!
Where'd you want the big gun?
Aussie's on the line!
Hey! Can't find anyone else.
Requisition. Australian infantry are in reserve.
Hands down! Tank! Listen up! Get back! Get right to you! Enemy fire!
Bloody tank! Destroy it! Archer, hit forward! Jack! Consider marking! Archer! All guns! Electric! Clean up! Marking! Bloody tank!
Dingo recon vehicle has been destroyed.
Give us bloody order! Ah! Armored stuff to six! Keep your eyes open! Tank destroyer here! Yeah!
Armored vehicles are receiving frontline training.
Where are we? Rifles up!
Where do
Arse!
you want me to be? Let's be upstairs! Got them? Driver! Crossing! Driver, get us closer! Exit's open. Eyes everywhere.
Section command post is under fire.
Tank destroyer moving! Swift!
Tank crew training completed.
Stop, driver! Dead stop! Right, get moving! Time to go down the river. Looking at dead all. Bravo, ready. Stop this bloody
Commander! Get this place locked down! Moving!
Archer here, fully now. Back up.
Aussie's here!
Hey, we got a move, chaps. Suspension shot. Armor's ready to go. Fire, come in.
Royal Engineers on the field and ready for your orders.
Those mortars out fast!
Royal acting it up now.
Command. Right, let's be off, chaps. Driver, stop. Wait, chaps. Tankers here. Locked and loaded.
All right, moving forward!
Albert, where do you want the big gun?
Let me
Steady
guess.
on, hands
You're
up
not
there.
going to see the other gun.
Albert,
We've got ourselves a reputation! Stop and
need a
wait!
tank. What, you
Do
can't
as
find
I
anyone else?
say! Enemy rifles! They're having a go! Like we've never marched before!
Territory sector lost, Commander.
MC's opened up on us!
Where to?
Come on! Give it a little haste! Target! Hold there! Fall back!
Look, driver,
Heads
get us
down!
aligned. We've got target. Sundowns out of action. Cracking. Join objective. Back! Back us up!
Sappers, report in.
Archer,
Jerry's not giving up without a fight. We're down to 300 points.
let's get moving. Maybe we don't have a Archer hears you loud and clear. Ready to recon. Suspension shot.
Is it
We're moving
moving?
anyway.
Aussie ready! Rifles up!
Ready to fight.
Section CP is taking damage.
Driver, stop here. Let's get moving. Maybe we don't have a brewer. Taking target and open fire. Station shot. Moving anyway. Mind the buck. Picking up. Back up! Now! Back! Back us up!
Sappers, pack it up, lads.
Look like me! Orders! Hey, ready move this boat! Oh, right! Has orders!
Damnation!
Heavy enemy firing! Fall back!
Where do you want the big gun?
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Stand back! Head for HQ!
The squad's gone. The Bosch are pushing hard. We're down to 250 points.
We should see the other guy.
Ben, you ready to give us some...
Section command post is under fire. Section CP is taking damage.
Maybe they'll give us a little bit of work.
Get us ordered.
Hang on! Hard combat patrol! Where's the Good shot!
Sappers, we're prepared, work. Under fire, the men.
Armor ready!
Making headway to the target!
The beggars are threatening a munitions point.
Barrage incoming! Clear out!
Get us
Here
clear!
you've got trouble! Hands up! He's got us for it!
Sector overrun. The enemy has it.
Stop when I say so! Albert! Kick it for us!
Sappers, patching it up now.
Take it away out of sight! Back it up!
Sappers, well done.
Royal Engineers out of contact. Is dead.
And coming close! Yeah, chugging it ready! Come on, like you mean it! Archer head to heading! Getting it from this bloody east! Light destroyer here! Got a moon, Jack! Destroy it! Hey, that's me up, Jack!
And the tanks knocked out. Jolly good. We're down to 200 points.
What have you got?
Archer tank destroyers are available.
Where are we going?
Royal Engineers.
Bringing the scope to bear.
Section command post is under fire.
Numbers fall back!
Australian infantry support is reporting in.
Big gun!
Let me guess. We should see the other guy.
Infantry, rifles up! Lads are account, all right, moving forward. We hear you've got trouble. Light infantry, never mind war. March up! Stay out of the line of fire! We've got ourselves a rescue case! We're taking losses here!
Sappers, you can patch it up now.
Word from the front. Our Australian infantry were killed.
Ready! Finish your group,
You need
Jack.
lighters? Let's get some blisters for your blisters!
Australian infantry are in reserve.
Come in! Push it!
Light infantry
fine here. We're down to only 50 points.
Bloody cancer!
Location
Commander, enemy forces hold all victory points.
Artillery! On the side! Driver! Forward! Back us up!
down! Tank!
Sappers reporting.